The 2019 West St. Paul's Cinco de Mayo celebration takes place on Saturday, May 4th, and KFAI will be there. Willie Dominguez and Gabriel Rios will broadcast their Sábados Alegres show live from this year's Tex-Mex adventure. Be sure to tune in on KFAI starting at 1 o'clock, or better yet, stop by to chat with Willie and Gabriel. Tell them why you love KFAI. In return, they'll tell you why KFAI loves our listeners. That's Cinco de Mayo, May 4th at 1 o'clock on KFAI. Oh geez, you're listening to Fresh Air Community Radio, KFAI 90.3 FM, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and on the web at kfai.org. Wishing you a happy holiday season in your ice house, no matter what you celebrate, don't you know? Fresh Air Community Radio is KFAI 90.3 FM HD, Minneapolis, St. Paul, online and archived at kfai.org. Radio without boundaries. Elections aren't about the candidates. They're about you. Want to have a say in what happens to your country, your state, your community, your family, your future? You have a personal stake in the upcoming elections. Register to vote. Learn the issues. Vote early or cast your ballot on November 6th. This is a public service announcement from KFAI, Fresh Air Community Radio. Support comes from The Walker, presenting Terrace Thursdays on the rooftop. On June 13th, be the first to see native designer Delina White's newest gender-fluid fashion line. Make art and dance the night away with DJ Bleak Roses. More at walkerart.org. Since you've stopped responding to our MySpace messages, we've decided to move on to more modern social platforms. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to fill your feed with everything going on in and around KFAI. And while you're at it, search for KFAI Playlist on Twitter to see exactly what we're playing all day. Did you really think we followed some brutal death metal with a sacred hymn? Probably. As 2018 comes to a close, we're thankful for the year we've spent together. Our 40th year of broadcasting was one of the most exciting, and we couldn't have done it without you, our listeners and members. 2019 promises to be even more exciting as we expand our online and streaming offerings and provide even more adventurous programming for the Twin Cities and the world. Consider a year-end tax-deductible donation at kfai.org to help us reach these goals and create 40 more years without boundaries.